Ever had your printer suddenly stop working because the waste toner collector filled up? It's frustrating, right? The Dell Waste Toner Collector is the part you need to keep your printer running without interruption. If you've seen any warning messages, don't wait. Getting this replacement is key to avoiding downtime and costly delays. We faced the exact same issue when our printer gave out. Ordering directly from Dell was a headache. The part was back-ordered for over a month. Not an option when you rely on your printer daily. That's when we found the Dell Waste Toner Collector on Amazon. It arrived faster and at a better price. This part isn't just a quick fix, it's built to last and performs exactly as expected, helping us get the printer back in action without hassle. Installing the collector was surprisingly simple. The instructions were clear, and swapping out the old container took just minutes. No technical headaches, no guesswork. That kind of ease is exactly why Dell remains a trusted brand. The engineering behind this part means you get reliable results every time, with no surprises. If you want to avoid printer downtime and keep your workflow smooth, the Dell Waste Toner Collector is worth a look. It's a practical solution that combines quality, ease of use, and quick delivery. Try it when you're ready to restore your printer's performance without the wait.